Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Wednesday, August 5th, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets rallied for a second consecutive session, with the Dow Jones rising 1.7% to a fresh record high, the S&P 500 gaining 1.8%, and the Nasdaq Composite advancing 2.6%. Driven by strong AI-related earnings, a sharp rebound in semiconductor stocks, and lower crude oil prices. Investor attention now shifts to this week's U.S. jobs report and key corporate earnings, which are expected to provide fresh clues on the health of the economy and the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. Asian markets are trading mostly higher today after another strong rally on Wall Street, as upbeat AI-driven earnings and easing crude oil prices improve global risk sentiment. Japan's Nikkei has gained around 3.4%. South Korea's Kospi is up about 4.5%, while the broader Asian markets are also advancing as investors await key U.S. economic data and further corporate earnings this week. GIFT Nifty Futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 24,741, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today, if we ignore the erroneous close yesterday due to the implementation of the CAS closing price calculation. Crude oil prices are trading steady to slightly higher after a sharp two-day decline, as investors monitor developments around the Strait of Hormuz and uncertainty over potential U.S.-Iran diplomatic talks. Gold prices are trading slightly higher, supported by safe haven demand amid lingering Middle East uncertainty and lower bond yields, with investors also awaiting key U.S. economic data for further direction on the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. Bharti Airtel delivered a strong first quarter, with net profit surging 37.3% year-on-year to 8,167 crore rupees, while revenue grew 18.4% to 58,539 crore rupees. EBITDA increased 19.3% to 33,599 crore rupees. Margins expanded to 57.4%, and ARPU improved to 264 rupees, reflecting healthy growth in its telecom business. ONGC reported an outstanding first quarter, with net profit more than doubling to 17,034 crore rupees, driven by a 45.2% rise in revenue to 46,460 crore rupees. The strong performance was supported by a sharp increase in crude oil realizations to $99.45 per barrel, compared with $66.13 per barrel a year ago. Nykaa posted a robust quarter, with net profit more than tripling to 79.8 crore rupees, as revenue climbed 29.1% to 2,782 crore rupees. The company also acquired a 51% stake in Aminu Wellness for 32 crore rupees, strengthening its presence in the premium skincare segment. Nifty is expected to open in the green today, following strong global cues amid a strong correction seen in crude oil prices. Levels may be kept the same as what we mentioned yesterday, with supports being at 24,525 followed by 24,420, while resistances may be placed at 24,610 followed by 24,710. All eyes will be on the RBI policy outcome scheduled to be announced at 10 a.m. today, with the markets expecting policy rates to be held as is. The IT sector may witness some selling pressure, given the gains seen in semiconductor stocks today. Indian markets may remain volatile as investors assess the outcome of the RBI monetary policy meeting, ongoing Q1 FY27 earnings, FII flows, rupee movement, global technology sector sentiment, crude oil price fluctuations, and upcoming U.S. employment data, which could influence the Federal Reserve's policy outlook. Strong corporate earnings, supportive RBI policy expectations, easing crude oil prices, healthy corporate order wins, and capital expenditure announcements, resilient domestic macroeconomic indicators, and positive global market sentiment could boost investor confidence and support further gains in Indian equities. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 2,446 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 936 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on August 5, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.